Thank you for choosing the Rainbuster leak-free window installation system. This system offers high-performance products, proven procedures, and an industry-leading 30-year parts and labor warranty. It is designed to provide the best in leak prevention. The Rainbuster leak-free system includes a comprehensive catalog of installation procedures. It is an ideal single-source solution for architects, builders, and installers. All Rainbuster leak-free window installation system procedures are available in full-color brochures and electronic PDF format. These written procedures include all of the necessary details and best practice recommendations. Please refer to them prior to beginning your project. This Rainbuster training video provides a real-world representation of the procedure.
In this step, we install the sill flashing. We'll use Rainbuster 415 25mm in 9-inch width. Install sill flashing flush with the sill of the rough opening. Each end of the sill flashing should extend the width of the flashing on each side of the rough opening. Adhere and/or fasten with staples or nails along top edge of flashing tight to the rough opening, within 1 inch of the edge of the rough opening. Remove 2 inches of release paper along top edge of flashing prior to installation. Note, the remaining release paper will be removed and the flashing will be adhered after the weather-resistive barrier has been installed. Do not fasten along bottom edge of sill flashing. This will allow for the weather-resistive barrier to be installed behind the sill flashing in a weatherboard fashion. In this step, we install the jamb flashing. We'll use the Rainbuster 405 in 9-inch width. Install jamb flashing flush with the jamb of the rough opening. Jamb flashing should extend to within 1/2 inch or flush with the bottom edge of the sill flashing. Fasten with staples or nails along edge of flashing tight to the rough opening, within 1 inch of the edge of the rough opening. Repeat procedure on other side. Do not fasten along bottom edge of jamb flashing. This will allow for the weather-resistive barrier to be installed behind the sill flashing in a weatherboard fashion. In this step, we install the window. This step uses Rainbuster 450 sealant. Apply a 3/8 inch continuous bead of sealant to the back side of the entire window flange. Apply sealant in line with the pre-punched holes in the window flange. Sealant must be applied no longer than 10 minutes prior to installation of window. Install window per window manufacturer's installation specifications, ensuring window is securely fastened and plumb, level, and square. Sealant squeeze out should be visible around entire perimeter and through all pre-punched holes in the window flange. Tool or knockdown sealant squeeze out flat. In this step, we install the double wrap or counter flashing at the jamb. We'll use Rainbuster 415 25mm in 4-inch width. Adhere jamb flashing flush with the edge of the window over the window flange and existing jamb flashing. Jamb flashing should extend 4 inches past top and bottom of window. Repeat procedure for other side. In this final step, we install the head flashing. We'll use Rainbuster 415 25 mil in 9-inch width. Install membrane at the head of the window. Each end of the membrane should extend the width of the flashing plus 1 inch on each side of the rough opening. Adhere membrane over window flange and jamb flashing flush with the top of the window. Using a J-roller, apply pressure and roll entire surface of membrane. Fasten with staples or nails along top edge of membrane. Use minimum number of fasteners required to keep flashing in place.
Thank you for your time. Please visit topindustrial.com if you would like more information. Now, let's briefly review this procedure.